Using Salesforce as your CRM? Let Calendly automatically update your Salesforce records with Calendly events and invitees information. To connect your Salesforce account, visit the Integrations page. Once you successfully connect and install the Calendly package for all of your Salesforce users, Calendly will help keep your Salesforce instance up to date with your Calendly events. Calendly shares the details of your booked events with Salesforce, locating any leads or contacts that already exist. If a lead exists, Salesforce updates it with the details of your Calendly event. If not, Salesforce will create a new lead. And if an event is canceled, the event is marked as canceled in your Salesforce records. As a Salesforce admin, you can customize this logic to update or create different Salesforce records, update fields with Calendly event data, and more. Easy meetings ahead. Calendly.